How to add an recovery email on your Gmail account. In this tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily add an recovery email, which allows you to log into your Gmail account even if you don't have your password or you don't have the access. So let's get started. First thing that you want to do is head over to your phone settings, and if you scroll down, you will see your Google. So just tap on Google Services. And from here, you want to head over to Manage Your Account. Once you are in your Manage account, you will have to scroll down on the tabs at the top of your screen and head over to the Security tab. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will see different options like your password, your Google prompt, your two-step verification phones, recovery phone number, and recovery email. You just want to tap on recovery email, and here you will have to enter your phone's password if this is the first time you're doing it. Then your recovery, you have an option to add your recovery email right here. But I already have added a recovery email right here, but if you want to change it or add a new one, you can just remove this and type in the new email that you have and then click on verify. Then it will send a verification email on this email that you've just entered, and you will have to verify from there, and then you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will catch you on the next one.